I bet you didn't know Louisiana has a state dog with eyes straight out of a painting. Yep, that's the Catahoula Leopard Dog. Let's get closer. This incredible breed is famous for its merle coat and those wild, mismatched eyes, sometimes icy blue, warm amber, or even both at once. It's called heterochromia, and it makes every Catahoula totally one of a kind. But these dogs aren't just eye candy. They're tough, smart, and loyal, born to work and always ready for adventure. If you love a dog with personality and unforgettable looks, the Catahoula Leopard Dog is impossible to ignore.